Grade 12. In this video we are doing esterification reaction. Esterification reaction is the reaction of the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid is a reactor ne alcohols. Then we get the ester plus water. So that is esterification reaction. And the esterification reaction, we have a catalyst which acts as a dehydrating agent, that is a concentrated H2SO4. Can use phosphoric acid which is concentrated. There is also a heat which is needed per. So esterification reaction, guys, is also known as they say it's a condensation reaction. It's a condensation reaction. All right, then in this video we are going to do questions on esterification reaction. Let me just do one example. Let's say ku reactor ethanol nansi andizoba phaya reactor ethanol maybe methanoic acid, that is ethanol plus ethanoic acid, methanoic acid. So methanoic acid yam izoba no carbon oyi-1, that is a methanoic acid. Nansi methanoic acid, that is carboxylic acid. So we are going to get water and ester. Where do we get the water? So into of we find logo is that OH simthatha pha kwi-alcohol, then kwi-carboxylic acid sithathe nje u-H kuphela, then sitsho sifumane ke ngoku H2O, that is H2O. So remember kulena yokuqala kuzoshiyeka kulibi ethanol, kuzoshiyeka lena i-ion, kuzoshiyeka leya i-ion kwelicala alcohol, usukile OH kushiyeka lo, then kwelicala carboxylic acid kushiyeke lo, and that is nalo O up. Okay, so I forget to write H, this H and that hydrogen. Amanzi sefomishekile, then ke ngoku ezi zoyi-2 ke ngoku zona zidibane phaa kutsho kufumisheke i-ester, sifomishe i-ester phaa, then we name the ester. Then that is the ester that is formed, which means apha ino C abayi-2 kube ku-O no C oyi-1 une-double bond O no hydrogen there, then sibe no hydrogen abayi-5 kwelicala. That is the ester. Remember i-ester yenzeka when we see a catalyst, maybe you can use a concentrated sulfuric acid. Now uzoyibhala pha, and also the heat I will use triangle. Then let's name this ester. So xa siname we divide la ester. Remember kukho ipart esuka kwi-alcohol, part esuka kwi-alcohol, bekwi-part esuka kwi-carboxylic acid. So xa siname ke ngoku la ester sizoba nezi parts zoyi-2. The part from alcohol sizoyifaka u-il ekugqibeleni, then the part from the carboxylic acid siyifaka u-R no weight. Bangapho carbon kwelicala bayi-2, which means what ethyl. Bangaphi kwelicala uyi-1, sitsho sithi methanoid. Then sigqibile le ester. Let's quickly go to the questions. They say grade 12 caps. esterification reaction questions. That is 40 marks. We'll quickly do this question, which is out of 40 marks. Let's start with question number 1. What do they say? Esterification reaction is the reaction. Esterification reaction is the reaction of alcohol and alkane. No, this option is wrong. Esterification reaction is the reaction of carboxylic acid and alcohol. So the option that is correct here is B. Sithi ku-reactor alcohol ne-carboxylic acid. That is esterification reaction. Let's quickly go to 1.2. So on 1.2, they say the catalyst used in esterification reaction. Remember, we said sulfuric acid or phosphoric, which is concentrated, which means the correct answer is C here. Let's quickly go to question number 1.3. They say the functional group found in esters. Let's draw the functional group for esters. Now it's a functional group here, esters. It can be like that. That is a functional group of esters. So sizojonga thina into similar to le. Akuyiyo le, A is out. Let's look at B. This is for carboxylic acid, because a carboxylic acid, you know, OH. That is OH. That is a carboxylic acid. So this one is correct because there are 2 oxygen atoms. So that one is correct. So the answer here is C. Let's quickly go to another question, 1.4. The reaction between ethanol and ethanoic acid produces. Let's do it. Let's quickly do it. Ethanol, 1, 2. There are 2 carbon atoms. That is ethanol. That is ethanol. Then the ethanol reacts with ethanoic acid. That is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Then remember, we said we take OH here. Then here we take H. Sichosifumane H2O. The product is H2O plus an ester. So ester yethu ke ngoku, this part eshiyekileyo, this part izodibana nale part eshiyekileyo ngapha. This part which uphume ester. So 1, 2. There are 2 carbon atoms, 3 hydrogen atoms here. 2 hydrogen atoms. Then ibonde nale. So ibonde nale. Then we get so there is O here. Then there is C, double bond O. Then nans, yeah. We can also name this one. Remember, water yokala. That is water and ester. So le ester ke nguye sizoyiname. Elinye icala lizoba no aryl, elinye icala libe no anoate. So icarbon zingaphi? Ngabe zi2 nangaba zi2, which means ethyl ethanoate. Then sigqibile. So yiphi ke ngoku correct answer pha? Bathe ethanoate, wrong. But ethyl ethanoate and water, that is correct. So the product that are formed is 2. So the correct answer is B here. Let's quickly go to question number 1.5. Let's look at 1.5. This is 1.5. What do they say? Esterification reaction is classified as? Is it addition? No, it is not addition reaction. Is it substitution? No. It is also called condensation reaction. So the answer here is C. It is not a decomposition. Let's quickly go to question number 1.6. On 1.6 they say the main reason for concentrated sulfuric acid is used is because it is. So besitshilo sathi acts as a catalyst that is dehydrating. So the correct answer here is C, acts as a dehydrating agent. So the correct answer is C. Let's quickly go to question number 2 now. So on question number 2, we match columns. Ethanoic acid, we are going to look for ethanoic acid. Well, ethanoic acid in a 1, 2, in a 2 carbon atoms. That is ethanoic acid, acetic acid. So C3HOOH. So ethanoic acid yeyiphi lapha nansi yangu B. So I will write B here. Ethanol yeyiphi ethanol? Ethanol, there are 2 carbon atoms. That is ethanol. It means 2. Then we go OH there. So nansi ke ngoyi-compound yethu. Ngu-C ono-H abayi 3, this one. Bengulo C wesibini no-H abayi 2. Then sinayo no-OH. But asinayo into enjalo lapho but ndiyayisola le because it is C2H5. Let's count O-C. C2, 2, H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, H5, OH. So the answer here is C. Let's quickly go to question number, the following question. Ethyl ethanoate. So we're going to draw ethyl ethanoate. Sibone ba ime kanjani. So ethyl ethanoate can be drawn in this way. 1, 2, that is eth 2. Then there is O. Then 1, 2, that is ethanoate. So there is a double bond O. So sibe no H bethu ke ngopha H, 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 hydrogen, hydrogen. So sigcwalise, then let's count. So we have CH3, CH2, OC lo C, no O abayi 2, bengu CH3. So this one is the same as option A. So this is option A. Then esterification reaction. Remember we said esterification reaction is also known as condensation reaction, which means here is D. Catalyst used, we use concentrated sulfuric acid, which means here is E. Products beside ester, kuphuma ester and what? And water, which means here is F. So we are done with this question. Let's quickly go to question number 3. This is question number 3. Write a balanced equation for esterification of ethanol with methanol with propanoic acid. So methanol means there is only one carbon atom, that is alcohol, methanol. Plus prop means 3, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 carbon atoms. Propanoic acid. So I'll put the functional group well. Okay. Then there is hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. So remember we said this only takes place if there is a concentrated sulfuric acid as well as heat. So the product that will be formed H2O, water and ester. So remember we said we take OH from the acid, from alcohol, then H from the what? The carboxylic acid. Then ziyadibana ezazisinika bani pha H2O. So this one ishiyekile le, and this one ishiyekile, so ziyadibana ke ngoku to form an ester easier. So let me write here. Oh, it's fine. Here there is 1 carbon, there is O, there is 3 carbon atoms. Then there is a double bond O. Then that is the ester formed. Right, let's quickly go to another question. Done. So the following question is question 3.2. Name the, write down the name of the ester, or name the ester formed in that question. So we are going to name this ester. We are going to name that ester. So that ester, remember, ester enziwa alcohol, which means not 2 parts, enziwa alcohol and carboxylic acid. Eli cala beli alcohol uthi I, eli acid uthi no weight, kusho phuma ester. So bangapho carbon atom kwela cala le alcohol uyi-1, so it's methyl. Then kwela cala by 3, then propanoate. Then sinimile ngole ester. Now they say, that is 3.3. Write down a balanced equation for the esterification of propan 1 with ethanoic acid. So prop means 3, which means we have 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Carbon yokuqala, we have a functional group of alcohol, propan 1 all. Plus ethanoic acid, which means there are 2 carbon atoms, so mandibe ngaphi functional group. I-functional group ndiyibeke pha, plus then sibe no OH here kweli cala, that is ethanoic acid. Remember we said OH simthatha kwi-alcohol, then bengubani pha, bengu-H carboxylic acid, then bayadibana to form H2O. So H2O will be formed, then ezizoyi-2 ke ngoku zizodibana ezizoyi-2, so kuzodibana le part idibane nale part, then kuphume i-ester. Right, kuphume i-ester pha. Ndizoyibhala lapha ezantsi. Remember iphumile H2O, then ngoku ndizobhala i-ester that was formed there. Remember le part izodibana nale part, so I have 1, 2, 3. Then H by 3 kule i-carbon, by 2 kule i-carbon, by 2 nakulena i-carbon. Then kuzeli cala ke ngoku liza ngabani ngala end no O, then there is a double bond O there, then bengulo carbon no H by 3. Then sibe sifumene ke ngo i-structural formula. In fact, this is the reaction, but ayiphelelanga if awuzibhalanga i-conditions. So this will only happen if there is a concentrated sulfuric acid. Then there is also a heat. Alright, now let's quickly go to question number 4. Question number 4. So question number 4 yena uthini? Draw a structural formula of butanoic acid. Remember, a butanoic acid is acid, so that is 4.1 carboxylic acid. But means 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanoic acid. Butanoic acid means 4 carbon atoms. So I will put the functional group up. Then the following question iti masizobe propan 1-ol. So propan 1-ol, prop means 3, 1, 2, 3. Propan 1-ol kwi carbon yokuqala ufaka OH. Carbon yokuqala ufaka OH, propan 1-ol. So ungayifaka lapha kuleni carbon, ungayifaka nale kusekuqaleni iyafana. Then the following question says, these substances react to form ester. Write the name of an ester. So as substances zoyi-2, this one and this one, they react as formishe i-ester. Remember, uba besitheni sithe we take OH we-alcohol siyomdibanisa no-H obencamathele oxygen pha, then we get H2O. So sishiyeke nantoni ngoku? Sishiyeke naleni part, leni part. Lapha sishiyeke naleni part, right? So sizokwenza ke ngoku i-ester pha. Okay? So i-ester yethu ke ngoku izophuma pha izothini? So sinale part, this part, this one. Then that part ke ngoku sizoyibhala la. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Kwakho bani? O. Then here there is a double bond O. From carboxylic acid sinaleni part. From a carboxylic acid we have this part. Then from alcohol sinaleni part, this part. So 1, 2, 3. There are 3 carbon atoms there. Hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2 even here. Then in this one, 3. That is the ester that was formed. They say write down the name. So we're going to name this one. This is the division that we have. So kwelicala beline alcohol ngu-yl, kwelicala beline carboxylic acid sifaku R no weight. So sisho sifumane ke ngoku how many carbon? 1, 2, 3 kwelicala alcohol. So izoba ngu-propyl 1, 2, 3, 4 butanoate. Butanoate. Then we're done with this one. That is the name of the ester. Right? Molecular formula of the ester. Remember, molecular formula, you count the number of atoms. So see bangapho carbon le ester. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So by 7 pa. Then no hydrogen bangaphi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have hydrogen by 14 bangapho oxygen 1, 2. So we have O2. That is the molecular formula of the ester. So that is the question na 2 marks. Let's quickly go to question 5. Question 5. They say a learner prepare an ester by heating ethanol with ethanoic acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. State 2 reason why the mixture is heated using water bath, not directly to the flame. directly flame. So eyokuqala, we will talk about alcohol. Alcohol is flammable. Then esibini, so sifuna i-temperature be average, so i-temperature ingabikho too high. So that is the reason number 2. That is why we use a water bath. Then name the ester formed. So kudibene ntoni pha i-ethanol ne-ethanoic acid. So ethanol 1, 2, there are 2 carbon atoms ku-ethanol, 2 carbon atoms ku-ethanol, plus how many ku-ethanoic acid? 2, 1, 2, there are 2 carbon atoms ku-ethanol, ethanoic acid, 2 carbon atoms. Then in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and heat, so kuphuma i-H2O and ester. H2O, remember we said OH from alcohol, H from carboxylic acid, then kutsho kuphume water. This is H2O. So lezi shekli ziyadibana to form an ester. So let me write here 1, 2. Shiyekile leya, which means izoformisha i-ester. Then naleni shiyekile leya, so u-O no C abayi-2. Then kuphume i-ester, nansi i-ester yethu. Kuthiwa write down the name of the ester. Name the ester that is formed. So when we name the ester, we remember that there are 2 parts of ester. There is a part from alcohol, there is a part from carboxylic acid. Elile alcohol zofaka u-aryl, ele carboxylic acid zofaka u-anoate. So how many carbon atoms? 2, 2, which means ethyl, ethanoate. Then we're done with that one. Let's quickly go to another question. What they say: write down a balanced equation for the reaction. This is the balanced equation, this one. This is a balanced equation for the reaction. Then we are done. Yeah, that is a balanced equation. State 2 observations that indicate that an ester has been formed. So eyokuqala, there is a layer ebalapha ngaphezulu, which is like a jelly okanye singathi ifana namafutha ihlala ngaphezulu emanzini. Then there is a pleasant smelling ozoyiva pha, a nice smelling. So zizo zoyi-2 i-observation that we get when we are doing esterification reaction. So sibe nezi ke ngoku questions here. Let's quickly go to bonus questions. The bonus questions.